We're looking at power sources for model engineering scale electric locomotives, 5-inch and 7 1/4 gauge. Today we're looking at petrol generators, not ordinary petrol generators. I've dismissed all the old style ones that constantly rev the engines high and make a lot of noise. This is an inverter generator, fairly new type of generator. The idea is that the output voltage and frequency is taken care of by electronics, and so it should be able to run the engine at a lower speed and waste less fuel and make less noise when there's not a huge amount of power required. It's about 800 watt rating. It's going to be feeding this Chinese low voltage supply, which is a 600 watt supply, and feeding this. Well, I've got some switches here. We can switch in anything up to 600 watts worth of low voltage filament bulbs just to simulate the load. Now then, let's see if we can get this going on. Ideally wants a couple of minutes to warm up, but that should be okay. Let's just little by little add some load. Well, that took the load up from nothing up to 600 watts just by switching the lights on and off. Let's see what happens if we try and put them all on at once. It's not having that. You can just see the filament sort of flicking as it occasionally tries. Turn it. There we are. Turn it back down to just 240 watts load and it's fired up. So, there we have it. It would appear to work, delivering loads of 600 watts, which is perfectly good for a reasonably powerful 5-inch gauge machine, and is suitable for the sensible driver who will apply a little bit of power gradually as they pull away. Not so much good for the boy racer idiot who thinks it's good fun to wheel spin out of the station, because all it's going to do is just sit there and say, "No, matey, I'm not playing your game. Play nicely or not at all."